Here we are down at the new sports hub on Owens-Delaney Park, and progress is really starting to leap forward. Roof is on now with the new facility, 8 change rooms and a club room. We've got aluminium joinery that's now in place, the glazing's not far away. Some of those internal tradies, the sparkies and stuff are on site doing their wiring, and it's not long before we have the building fully closed in. We're probably looking at an opening in September this year with the annual running of Global Games. So that's been a real target and focus of the team here, to have the facility functioning and operating for a major event weekend. To date, it's been wonderful to work with so many people in delivering a community outcome. We've spoken about it in the past, about how we're funding this and that joint model of looking for central government funding and private funding to support the ratepayers, and it's great to see the building coming to life. My favourite moment, or my favourite bit about the building and what I can see here, are these massive timber structures, the archways around the roof, and I guess ultimately how the roof almost feels to float across the building is pretty cool. Roll on September, some ribbon cutting and getting the community to use this facility for what it's intended for.